Good morning, students. How are you all? Students, today we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 4.1 of chapter 4. Chapter name is Practical Geometry. Here in this chapter we will see how to construct a quadrilateral by different methods. Exercise 4.1 is dependent on this method. If you have given length of 4 sides, you know quadrilateral is having 4 sides. So if you have given the length of all the 4 sides and a diagonal, then construct a quadrilateral. This is one method. Likewise, there are different other methods also that we will discuss later. So by explaining you, I am going to solve exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Question number 1 is having 4 parts. Let me solve first part. Question number 1 says construct the following quadrilaterals. First is quadrilateral ABCD. Students, this is the explanation of the construction. So I want you all to pause me wherever necessary. Wherever necessary, pause me and draw with me so that you can achieve confidence to solve or to construct the quadrilateral. So whenever they have given you quadrilateral ABCD, draw a rough sketch. I have already done ABCD, and also they have given us the measurement of this quadrilateral. It is AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, DA is equal to 6 centimeter, DC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and diagonal AC is equal to 7 centimeter. How you will know this is diagonal? That is why I am telling you, you have to draw the rough sketch. Again, I am reminding you, please follow with me. Whenever I am drawing something, pause me so that you can understand properly. Now, how to construct quadrilateral? First, I will take any one side. Let me take this side only and try to take this side so that you can construct the quadrilateral properly. So first of all, draw line AB of 4.5 centimeter. Let me draw line AB 4.5 centimeter. So I have drawn line AB which is of 4.5 centimeter, and I am writing here A and B. Now from A, on A, please keep this much space above so that you can draw quadrilateral properly. Now taking A as a center, draw AC of radius 7 centimeter, right? Taking A as a center and radius 7 centimeter, draw one arc. We will draw one arc like this. So for that, what we will do? We will open 7 centimeter, right? We will open 7 centimeter like this, 7 centimeter, and put on A. We will put on A. Pause me wherever you need. Putting on A, you will draw one arc. Draw larger arc so that you can get the intersection point. Now taking B as a center, and 5.5 radius. Let me take B as a center and 5.5 radius. Again, you will need compass and scale. 5.5 radius, measure from here. This is 5.5, and put on B. You will put on B and draw another arc which will intersect the previous arc which we have just discuss. Now we have got the point of intersection, so remove the extra thing so that your work appears good. Join that AC. Okay, now join AC, give it name as C because it is C. I will write here C, and join the point of intersection. This point of intersection must be joined with A. Now also we will join B and C also, because we have already taken BC measurement 5.5, and you can check this will be 5.5 and this will be 7 centimeter. Now taking A as a center, and radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Let us take 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. A as a center and radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw an arc which is opposite of B with reference to AC. So we will draw one arc. Draw a bigger arc first, so that point of intersection you can get easily. Now again from AC we have done. Now putting from C, taking C as a center and taking radius 4.5 centimeter. Let me again take the measurement 4.5 centimeter, but this time on C. And intersect the previous arc which we have discussed. Cut the remaining which is not necessary, so that your work will be appearing good. Join the point of intersection to A and to C. And name that point as D because it was our D. Now measure this. It will be definitely 7 centimeter. This will be 4.5 centimeter. This will be 6 centimeter. This will be 5.5 centimeter. And this already we have taken with the scale. Let me measure it. This is 5.5 exactly. This is from this here 7. Yes, we are getting 7. Yes. This also 4.5 and 6. Now whatever we have drawn, how we have drawn, we have to write also, and for that purpose I have already written steps of construction which I am showing to you. Please take the screenshot if you want, or you can write on your own also. Whatever we are drawing, we are constructing, we are supposed to write in the steps. First we have taken AB, so we have written 4.5 centimeter. Then from center A, taking center A and radius 7, I have drawn arc. Then taking B as a center, 5.5 radius. All this we have done, right? So take a screenshot and write down, or you can write on your own also. Hope you have understood the method of constructing a quadrilateral when the length of 4 sides and diagonals are given to you. Rest three parts you will practice on your own, as it is very easy. If you don't understand, please take the method which I have explained in this lecture. We will meet with a new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.